Do you have a message? Are you looking for information?
We have a go for main engine start.
Or do you have discoveries to share?
Well, looks great down here.
Do you have a mission to accomplish? Do you need to see beyond the horizon?
He's issued a tornado warning effective.
Have you watched our world come together? Are you ready to laugh, cry, rejoice? What can you share with your neighbors across the street or across the world? What is your message? One company has the experience and the imagination to make the vital connection between you and your world. In 1963, Hughes built and launched SYNCOM, the first synchronous communication satellite. The following year, a Hughes satellite relayed the Tokyo Olympics and images of international cooperation. Soon after, Hughes built the first geostationary weather satellite, the first probe to enter the atmosphere of Venus, and the first spacecraft to land softly on the moon. Those spacecraft became the cornerstone of an entire industry and laid the foundation for the world leader in satellites and space-based communication systems. Today, Hughes provides advanced satellite systems and the services and support to back them up. End-to-end communication solutions. From spacecraft design to assembly and final testing, our integrated satellite factory produces more spacecraft than any other facility in the world. We build systems that connect billions of people in dozens of countries, providing communications and broadcast services locally and globally. Our direct broadcast satellite systems bring information and entertainment to millions of homes around the world. As multimedia applications reach more and more desktops, the broadband market will reach the sky. Spaceway will be the first system to provide satellite broadband services to a world hungry for information. The first Hughes geomobile satellite system, Thuraya, will use advanced onboard digital signal processing and unique multi-beam antenna technology to provide a turnkey communications infrastructure for an entire region of the globe. ICO will provide digital voice, data, fax, and messaging services anywhere on the planet. Onboard signal processing and phased array antennas allow each satellite to handle thousands of simultaneous communications channels. Both systems, Thuraya and ICO, will integrate transparently with existing terrestrial networks. And XM Satellite Radio will provide 100 channels of crystal clear digital quality music, news, and information nationwide. Next-generation TDRS satellites and ground system upgrades provide increased capacity to link NASA controllers to the Space Shuttle and the International Space Station.
18 on auto-docking sequence.
And the newest GOES satellites will help NOAA save lives by predicting weather more accurately. In peacetime and war, Hughes delivers comprehensive communications for America's frontline forces. Tactical awareness today, digital dominance tomorrow. The Navy's UHF follow-on series provides critical communications. The system has evolved to include EHF and global broadcast service payloads. To increase SHF and GBS capabilities, the wideband gap filler satellite system will employ processes and technologies from Spaceway and other commercial systems. This strategy will allow Hughes to provide maximum capacity and flexibility to our tactical forces. Hughes crosslink and medium data rate payloads for Milstar provide strategic survivable communications. For tomorrow's digital battlefield, Hughes' advanced EHF satellite system will allow a seamless transition from Milstar. It leverages proven capabilities, including fourth-generation digital signal processing and flexible phased array antenna technology developed for Thuraya. These systems will provide highly protected communications for the warfighter of the future.
Check the balance. Go Atlas, go Centaur. Launch sequence start. MIB switch to auto on.
Attention pour le décompte final.
0 and liftoff.
Hughes remains on the job throughout the life of the satellite.
An international space operation.
Our launch services provide on-time, on-orbit placement. Hughes ground personnel furnish technical support and maintenance 24 hours a day. And Hughes provides complete customer training. These services allow our customers to leverage their space-based capabilities. The combined effect of these efforts? Over the years, Hughes satellites have achieved over 150% of expected service life and more than a millennium of total service in space. Hughes continues to lead the market in technological advances. Our newest communication satellite, the Hughes 702, is the largest, most powerful commercial communication satellite ever launched.
Et décollage.
It employs high-efficiency solar cells, a flexible payload design, and xenon ion propulsion. This unique footage shows the deployment of a 702 solar array from 22,300 miles above the Earth. Nearly 4 decades ago, one company launched the revolution. And now, the company with the technologies, the services, and the people to make the connections would like to know, do you have a message? We'll help you tell the world.